Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to December, isn't that crazy? So I'm not doing Vlogmas really for December because I already post so much anyways, but December is going to be extra special. I'm going to do some different types of videos along with my unboxings, and we're going to kick it off with not only an unboxing video like usual, but a giveaway as well. So that's right, there will be a giveaway in today's video. We are going to be opening up the November California Found box. And sorry, my phone is being rude and making noise. Let me turn that off. So California Found, I've gotten this box for a few months now, and it is always so great. If you haven't seen my past unboxings, I'll link a few below. But California Found was so nice enough to reach out and ask if I wanted to do a giveaway with them. So we are going to be doing one. So this giveaway is going to end on December 8th, and I probably should have started with what you're going to win. So you're going to win not only one, but two of the box I'm about to open. So you'll get a box for you as well as a box to give to someone you love. So I think that is so fun and so great. So keep watching because you'll get to see what you will get, what the prizes are. It's going to be this box exactly. So I'm going to leave a link down below. All you have to do is enter through that link, and there's ways to get extra entries. The extra entries are like following California Found social media links and also subscribing to my channel. I will leave all the details down below. But anyways, let's get into the unboxing portion of the video. So when I open the box, this is what I see. Already dropping something. You can see everything is wrapped up nicely in some tissue and some swigglies. So California Found, they give you cards for each item that comes in the box, as well as a card that describes like the theme and everything. So it says, "Welcome to the California November 2019 collection. Happy 2nd anniversary to us." Oh, happy anniversary! I didn't even realize that. That makes us even more special. It says, "If you've been with us for a while, this month you've noticed that we've changed the way we mail your box by eliminating the padded envelope in which our box is previously shipped. We take great care in packaging your box so that it arrives to you in a beautiful condition on the inside, even if the outside is a little tousled up from the journey. A box with a few scuffs is worth it to save the world a whole lot of landfill. You'll see more changes to our design in future months, so we'll strive to bring you a box that's both lovely to receive and respectful to the planet. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of gorgeous California artisan-made products. To celebrate our anniversary, this month's box features some of our very favorite makers from the past year. You're going to love it." That is so great that they're taking measures to produce less waste. I really appreciate that as someone who gets so much stuff in the mail. That is amazing. So let's get started and get this tissue open and see what is inside. First thing I'm pulling out, oh my god, this is like so soft. What is this? This is by Bella Mia Baby, a scrumptious collection of baby luxuries by Angela Elam. So I think this is a scarf. Let's see. Oh man, this is so soft and nice. Yes, this is like, and it's like chocolate brown. I think you can see it on camera, yeah. Sometimes dark browns come off as like black on camera, but this is so nice. Let's learn more about this. All right, so here is the card that talks about the company and the product. I love how they show the owners, so you can see her right there. And it says, Bella Mia Mama and Baby. In 2002, after her first child was born, Angela Elam decided to turn her creative passion for handcrafted products for babies and mamas into a business, and Bella Mia Mama and Baby was born. Angela hand selects each designer fabric and creates one-of-a-kind, scrumptiously soft bibs, blankets, throws, pillows, handbags, scarves, and more. Angela also loves to create custom orders, connecting with her clients and creating heirloom quality pieces that capture the essence of family. This month we included Bella Mia Mama and Baby Super Cozy Softer Than Soft Minky Scarf. We love it to zoosh up a coat, sweater, or long sleeve tee. So this is a 60-inch scarf, and it has a retail value of $25. I realize right now that I didn't give you any details about California Found itself, like the subscription in the beginning. I was so excited about the giveaway. So this is a monthly subscription, and you can also get it as a one-time purchase. The one-time purchase is a little bit more expensive at $55, and the subscription is $49 a month. Sorry I didn't say that sooner. When I said the retail value of the scarf, I was like, oh wait, I didn't talk about the retail value of anything else. I'm like loving this right now, you guys. Even though I'm going out soon to like dinner and a movie, and I mean, it's gonna cool off a little bit, but I don't think I can wear the scarf out, but I can wear it for the rest of this video. let's move on to the next item. This is, oh yeah, candle. I love candles so much. This is Cali Vibes Candle Company All Natural Soy Wax Hand Poured in California. Ooh, and this is in the scent Mistletoe. So here's the top of it. And oh, it smells like Christmas. And there's 2 wicks in there. Oh, this will definitely help get me in the spirit, even though it's not cooling off here too much. But Tuesday it's supposed to be 65 here, and there's gonna be like people in coats. It's gonna be funny. But anyway, so here is the card for the Cali Vibes candle. It looks like there's a couple on there. I wonder if they made this. Let's learn. So it says Cali Vibes Candle Company is a beach brand inspired by the California lifestyle. Each candle is hand poured in Orange County, California using all natural soy wax and phthalate-free fragrance oils blended with essential oils. Anthony and Maria, the owners and makers behind the quintessentially California brand, take pride in making sure each and every Cali Vibes candle sparks the same love, passion, and good vibes spirit that they feel for California. We love the wintry feel this month's candle delivers in both fragrance and in style of its super chic travel tin. So this is an 8-ounce travel candle in mistletoe, and it has a retail value of $18. There are also codes on each of these little pieces, or each of these cards, to save money if you want to purchase more from the company. So I think that is great. So there's one for this for 20% off, and there's one for 20% off from the makers of this scarf too, which I failed to mention, but it smells so good. So let's see what is next. Ooh, this looks like it's a ring by Rhodes. This is pretty. This is what it looks like. Let me put it on. Did I already get like fingerprints on it? I think I'm wearing gold jewelry right now, so this doesn't really go, but it's so cute I might keep it on anyways. I don't care. I like that. And I like that it was adjustable. Like I could easily like fit it on. Like you can kind of bend it, you know what I mean? But this is a card for this product. And it says, Rhodes established her namesake company in 2002. Each and every piece is handcrafted within the greater Los Angeles area, helping to support local artisans while maintaining the highest level of quality in craftsmanship, materials, and style. Since its creation, Rhodes has been worn by many of the world's most glamorous women while staying true to the company's sense of community, personality, and accessibility. We love the architectural quality of the Rani uneven double bar ring. It's bold while still being ultra feminine and can be size adjusted by gently squeezing or stretching. So this is $45. Wow, so this is like the price of the box pretty much. And there is a code to get 15% off an order from their website. So again, that is what it looks like. I really like this. I feel like I will definitely wear this all the time. It's really like light and dainty, so it's easy to wear. Next up, so this, I've watched some of my friends unbox this video. That's how I know what this is. This is like, there's a little ear plant in here, and it's like a DIY project. Let me find the card of it. So this is by In Succulent Love. So I'll read about it and then I will show you. So, In Succulent Love blossomed by complete accident while maker Jessica Kane was making succulent pumpkins with her grandmother each fall. After posting a photo to social media, they immediately generated buzz, which started her succulent journey. Jessica ships over 120 different varieties of succulent plants, DIY kits like the one we're featuring this month, and pre-made arrangements. She also teaches DIY classes in the San Diego area. Her first book, Stylish Succulent Designs and Other Botanical Crafts, filled with 40 different DIY botanical projects, is available now. If you or someone you love is obsessed with succulents, you must get a copy of this gorgeous book. So this is a DIY jellyfish ornament and has a retail value of $23, and there is a code here to save 20% off your order. So let's see what's in here. I think that's fun to do, like a little DIY stuff. So an air plant jellyfish. So they're gonna show you, they call it jellyfish because that is what the finished product looks like a jellyfish. So it says, mist the air plants once a week with a gentle mist. Keep in a bright light location but out of direct sunlight. And then it gives you directions on this card here. So it says 1, wrap the fishing line around the base of the air plant through the tentacles, triple knotting it. Slide the other end of the finishing line through the top opening of the sea urchin. Gently pulling it through the air plant is dangling out of the urchin's opening. Tie the fishing line in a loop so the urchin can be hung. Seems pretty simple, right? So here's our little ear plant. It's in good shape. And also there's like the line to tie it up with right there too. Oh. I'm gonna have to do this tomorrow or when I get home tonight. And the sea urchin, I guess, is carefully wrapped up here. So this is the sea urchin part. So this is what it will look like. Definitely resembles a jellyfish. This is cute. So there should be one more product in here. Am I looking crazy with this scarf on? It's really soft. I like it. So I think this is the last product here. Let me get this out. So this is Lenez handcrafted #1 vitamin C face balm. So this is a beauty balm made with fruit oils and shea. And there's 1 ounce in here. So this is what it looks like. I like this type of packaging. So here is the card that comes with this one. And it says, in 2013, Laura Lysakis, sorry I'm butchering that, distilled a passion for botany, a love for design, and a drive for independence into an all-natural skincare brand. Lenez handcrafted Lenez cleansers, toners, face masks, scrubs, and balms are formulated with clean and effective bases of aloe vera, plant oils, and local raw honey, and infused with essential oils. The Lenez #1 Beauty Balm is a unique blend of deeply nourishing botanical oils, vitamin C, E, and B, and organic shea butter. Use this luxurious multi-purpose balm to nourish dry skin, relieve minor rashes, and even cleanse the skin. So this is 1 ounce of the #1 Vitamin Beauty Balm, and it has a retail value of $24, and there is a code for 10% off. So let's try this. This is definitely going to come in handy since it's getting into the cooler months. Dry skin. I even know some dry skin on me after I showered today. I'm not used to that. Like in Florida, it's so humid here and warm, but even the little drop in temperature is changing my skin. So of course I just like dug my nail in there. One bad thing about having longer nails is stuff, like potted things, but I have little spoons I can use. So I'm just gonna rub it on my hand. It feels really nice. As soon as I have a scent. It has like a light scent, but doesn't smell like anything specific. Just like skincare, so great. So that was everything that came in the November California Found box. So again, make sure to enter the giveaway to win a box, not only for you, but also one to give to someone you love or whoever you choose to give to. I think this is so fun, and again, this ends in a week on December 8th. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. And thank you to California Found for sending me this box and also for doing this giveaway. This is so fun. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.